I was at Swell here in New York last year, about 2 months ago. Is that right? Yeah, first week of November, so it's been 3 months ago. They had a lot of the same people up on their stage talking about a lot of this and the timelines that they had for tokenization of the stock market, the FX market, the commodities market, derivatives, and the like. And many of them gave timelines of 2026 being kind of laying the groundwork for all of that, 2027, 2028 being full implementation and tokenization of these financial markets. NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and many others have said that 2026 will be the year that they tokenize the stock market or their exchange. There are 16 or 17 different exchanges that trade stocks. Most people know NASDAQ and know NYSE, or the New York Stock Exchange, as the main two, because that is where the majority of stocks get listed. And they also get the majority of the ETFs too. So that's why most people know those. But there are lots of brokers that are attached to them, and it's a bit more complex than just click and buy. Like most people think these days. You have your eToro account, or you've got your E-Trade account or your Robinhood account, and you think when you buy that stock, you bought it. Well, and that's kind of true. But if you scratch a few layers deeper, there's some reconciliation that has to happen between the clearinghouses and the brokers for whatever exchange this is. We had shout out to Max Kahn. He was on FinTech TV today, which is on the stock floor here in New York, alongside Ondo and a few of the other people that were up here filming with them today. People used to trade there. People used to do electronic trading from there to the data centers across the river over there in New Jersey, which is where all of them still are. I think with satellites, things are going to be a bit different, especially once it's on blockchain and you have a real-time distributed ledger. A lot of the advantages that people have been leveraging for the past, call it 30, 40 years with those connections to be able to beat people and trade faster than them. And that's why, if you're a retail trader, good luck. They're going to eat your lunch. They can literally see your trade coming before it gets there and front run you on the trade.